Welcome to the second challenge in our series. I'm Josh Mason, your instructor again. We have a console, and we find our IP address is going to be 192.172.2, and they tell us that .3 is our target on this little network. .1 is our gateway. It's pretty straightforward. Let's make sure it's there. It's responding. Good. Let's run our Nmap scans. They tell us that the system administrator has moved all of the services to ports 1 through 250, but they're not in their standard location. Their known location, their default location, that's a better term for it. So let's see if there's anything out there. We can see 177. Let's run an aggressive scan on 177. And the aggressive scan is going to do the operating system fingerprinting. It's going to look for service information. It's going to connect and try to grab a banner. It's also going to run the default scripts. And it's going to do a trace route, which should just be one hop at the gateway. And we have our results back. We see that port 177 has the ISC bind. We're still looking for our TFTP and our SNMP. And ISC bind is a DNS service. So I expect there to be a UDP as well. So we'll look for that. So let's run our same scan again with attack SU, because we know those three are going to be here, and they didn't show up in TCP. So we'll check UDP. And this scanning can take a while, so there's a good chance the video cuts and we end up at the results. All right, so we got our results back. We've got 3 UDP ports, 134, 177, and 234. So we will hone in on those three results and do a service scan. We'll need that U as well. So it does the UDP ports, looking for that service. Making sure I'm not missing anything, because we don't know which one's which. I assume 177 is, again, the bind, but we should test. So we'll scan again. Since we're only scanning those 3 ports, it should go a little bit faster. And we got our results back. Looks like 134 is shown open and filtered. We're not getting great info back from that. We'll dive into that in a sec. But 177 is shown that ISC bind, and 234 is getting the SNMP. So we could assume that that's the TFTP, but I want to do one better. Why is it having problems? Let's dial in on that one, and let's run some scripts. It's like adding attack SC. I'm going to run the discovery script, or the discovery set of scripts. See if there's something more that we're not getting. Okay, even with that discovery scan result coming back, we still do not have it showing us the service. So let's try something. We'll just do TFTP. On port 134. And it says we're connected. Not connected. Let's try that again. Based off that usage right there, it didn't like my TAC P. I just wanted host name and then port. And so we did host name and then port with that status, and it says it's there. With that, I will definitively say that port 134 is hosting the TFTP server.